Hey there, folks. Today we're taking a look at the Veeam Dash Cam Front 2.5K, a mini dash cam for cars that's packed with impressive features. This 1440p car camera comes with an easy-to-use app and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a breeze to view and manage your recordings right from your smartphone. Plus, with its WDR night vision and 24-hour parking monitor, you can rest assured that your vehicle is always protected. The 5K 1440p resolution ensures crystal clear video capture, while the Super Night Vision technology guarantees sharp footage, even in extreme dark scenarios. With a wide 160 angle, this dash cam captures every detail of the road ahead, including license plates and road signs. Not only is this dash cam designed for optimal performance, but it's also built to last. Its heat-resistant chipset and adhesive pad ensure that the camera stays securely attached to your windshield, even in hot sun. Plus, its mini and hidden design won't obstruct your view while driving. And let's talk about safety features. The 24-hour parking monitor automatically records emergency videos upon detecting collisions, while the G sensor can detect sudden shakes or collisions and lock the footage to prevent overwriting. With loop recording and the ability to connect to a hardwire kit for continuous recording, this dash cam truly has you covered. So, if you're in the market for a reliable and high-quality dash cam, look no further than the Veeam Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. And hey, if you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and drive safe.